Am I the a-hole for putting googly eyes on all the food in the fridge to prevent snacking? My roommate eats everything. I'll buy a pack of cheese sticks and they're gone by morning. I asked nicely, then labeled stuff. No change. So I got creative. I bought a pack of stick-on googly eyes and put them on everything. Milk. Big ol' eyes. Leftover spaghetti? Judging you. Even taped one to a banana. It worked. He said it creeped him out, and he stopped eating my stuff. Now he says I'm being passive-aggressive and creating an emotionally hostile refrigerator. Am I the a-hole for turning the fridge into a surveillance horror movie to stop my food from vanishing?